Hi, welcome to livingpianos.com and virtualsheetmusic.com. I'm Robert Estrin with a theory lesson today. What is a Neapolitan 6th chord? Neapolitan 6, it sounds like somewhere between a dessert and an after-dinner drink, but it's actually a very spicy chord that can add beautiful elements to your music. You've probably heard it before. I'm going to play a simple progression of a 1, 4, 1, 6, 4, 5, 7, 1, a perfect authentic cadence. Now, the second chord, the 4 chord, you can use instead a 2 chord in the first inversion, a 2-6, which changes your FAC to FAD. It sounds like this, and there's a reason why I'm showing you this. So now listen to the perfect authentic cadence, 1, 2, 6, 1, 6, 4, 5, 7, 1. Compared to the 1, 4, 1, 6, 4, 5, 7, 1. And here it is again with the 2, 6 for the second chord. So now getting to the Neapolitan 6. The reason why I showed you this is because really the Neapolitan 6 is a substitution for the 4 chord or the 2-6 chord. What it is a major triad built on the flatted second degree of the scale. Now that's an earful. Let's break it down. In the key of C major, the second degree of the scale is D. Flat the D, and you have a D flat. Build a major chord on it, you have... You might think, what is a D flat major chord doing in a piece in C major? Well, listen to it in context. I'm going to now play a perfect authentic cadence where the second chord will be the Neapolitan 6. That is, the D flat chord with the F on the bottom. So I'm going to play the 3 versions of this. First with the second chord being the 4 chord, then the second chord being the 2-6 chord, and finally the second chord being the Neapolitan 6 chord. Then I'm going to show you how to build this for yourself. So you hear it functions the same, but has a very different flavor. So once again, to break it down, build a major chord on the flatted second degree of the scale. So in C major, the second degree of the scale is D. Flat it to D flat. Build a major chord. Then put it in the first inversion, putting the F on the bottom. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the Neapolitan 6th chord. Use it and enjoy it. And notice in your music where it occurs. So if you were in G major, for example, you'd go to the second degree of the G major scale, which is A. You'd flat that. You'd have an A flat major chord. Put it in the 6th inversion. And that would be the Neapolitan 6 in G major. You can find this chord in virtually any key with the same formula. And if you're improvising or composing, anytime you'd use a 4 chord, consider the use of the Neapolitan 6 and look for it in your music, and you'll understand the beauty of this chord. Thanks so much for joining me here at virtualsheetmusic.com and livingpianos.com. Again, Robert Estrin. Thanks for joining me.